Do you want to know how to make deliciously simple pulled pork? Let's find out. First, make a rub by adding brown sugar, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, celery salt, cumin and cinnamon into a bowl. Stir to combine and set aside. Onto a shoulder of pork, spoon yogurt and mustard. Spread it over evenly. Sprinkle over your rub and make sure you get it all over your pork. You'll get a little messy. Pop the pork into a large casserole dish. Pour in apple juice and apple cider vinegar. Add in some cooled lapsang souchong tea. This will give the pork a lovely smoky flavour. Surround the pork with a few sprigs of thyme. Pop into a low oven, ask an adult to help. Leave it to cook low and slow. To make a barbecue sauce, add passata, sugar, apple cider vinegar, paprika, mustard, garlic powder, cumin, cinnamon and Worcestershire sauce into a medium pan. Cook for about an hour on a low simmer, stirring occasionally. Season to taste. Remove the pork from the oven and allow it to rest. Carefully remove any fat and gently shred the pork. Pour over your barbecue sauce and give it a stir. I like my pulled pork in a bun with homemade slaw.